Is your thing recording, or are you going to...
Yep.
What I'm going to do is I have a stopwatch. And you have to wait the 10 seconds before you can drink milk. And all the milk has to be out of your mouth now,
Okay.
too.
I'm just gonna fill this up so I'm ready.
Okay. Now, fill it up.
I'm trying to turn my
Go over the habanero. Take a picture of the habanero while you're waiting for it.
I can't crack my jaw.
You have to say that this is the first time you're having a habanero. Okay, now what I'm going to do, as soon as you go to put it in your mouth, I'm going to hit the start. Okay, got it?
And I have to chew and swallow it.
Chew and swallow it, and you cannot touch your milk for the 10 seconds. And you can do it, so you can use your brain power. Trevor, you ready? Don't lean against the thing.
Yep.
I want you to break it.
Oh, this is so scary. Okay,
I'm watching you in reflection. Go. Keep it on her. See it. There's a paper towel. There's a paper towel there.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Give her $20.
It hurts so bad.
Put it up on YouTube. Don't stop it. Don't stop it. You stop it?
It hurts so bad.
Erica, how was it? Let me see your tongue. Without the milk on it. No, it's not bad. How is it, Erica?
Never again. Not even $20.
That's good.